Yes, बच्चे. Next, selection mode. What is selection mode? Click to open a context menu and toggle between standard selection, extended selection, adding selection or block selection. The icon does not change when different selections modes are selected, but the tooltip shows the current status. First, standard selection. What is standard selection? Click in the text or cell where you want to position the cursor and make the cell active. Any other selection is then deselected. Okay. Next, extend selection. Clicking in the text either extends or crops the current selection. Third, adding selection. A new selection is added to an existing selection. The result is multiple selection. Block selection. A block of text can be selected. Block means group. Next, spreadsheet sheets cells. Kelsey works with elements called spreadsheet. Spreadsheets consist of a number of individual sheets, each sheet containing cells arranged in rows and columns. A particular cell is identified by its row number and column letter. Cell holds the individual elements like text, numbers, formulas, and so on that make up the data to display the manipulate. Manipulate means changes. Each spreadsheet can have many sheets, and each sheet can have many individual cells. In Kelsey, each sheet can have a maximum of 1048576 rows and a maximum of 1024 columns. Next, enter and edit the text in a spreadsheet. In LibreOffice Kelsey, you can enter three types of data in the cells. Numbers means values, any value, or date, formula, and text. Let us know about these data types in detail. Numbers. What is numbers? Numbers are generally raw numbers or dates. Raw numbers means any number, 23, 4, 78, any. By default, number and date data is aligned to the right in Kelsey. Next, a decimal point is used as a separator for decimal numbers. A comma is used as a separator for numerical values in thousands, 100, thousands, etc. Numbers can be started with a dollar sign or with some other currency symbols to display as currency. Numbers are interpreted as a date only if it is entered in the American date format, such as MMDDYY. MM means month, DD means day, and YY means year, and not in the Indian format, that is DDMMYY. Next, formula. Formula is a mathematical expression to perform calculation on data in cells. For example, to perform addition on the data in the cells A1, B2 and C3 and displays the result in cell D4. The formula will be is equal to A1 plus B2 plus C3 in cell D4 is equal to. But in MS Excel, every formula starts with equal to. Next, text. Text includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Kelsey considered any data that it doesn't recognize as a number, date, time, or formula as text. By default, text data is aligned to the left in a cell. Next, use of functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Kelsey. In mathematics, we build on the previous known formulas. So, for example, you may want the average of a range. The following function call with computer the average equal to average AI colon EI means AI to EI. The above function will take the range of cells as AI to EI and then compute the average of the same. In case of average, the inputs are always numbers. Some of the other functions that are frequently used are sum, max, and difference, min, or today, not. In fact, there is a large set of functions which can be seen if you check the insert menu function of Kalsi. These all are the functions बच्चे.